Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna be fixing this LG washing machine, and it's got an OE error code, which means it's not draining, so we're gonna change the drain pump. Along with the OE error code, you may also hear this sound. That is a good indication to also change the drain pump. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is unscrew this screw and this screw. Next thing you're gonna wanna do, pull the top back, just like that. Next thing, you're gonna pull the water dispenser out, press the tab that says push, pull it straight back out. You're gonna remove these two screws. You're gonna take this one random screw off the back right corner of the washing machine. You're gonna come back to the front of the washing machine and you're gonna pull slowly, not to break them. And you're gonna wanna undo these three connections. Yours may be different depending on the style that you have. You're gonna pull this straight off. Take the door latch off. You're gonna undo this screw and this screw. Once you get those two screws out, pull this piece out. Now you're gonna get buck wild and you're gonna take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws off. You're gonna get a flat. And pry that little spring up. Come up and out. Now, where the drain pump is, you'll have this. Yours may or may not have 2 tubes right here, and then you'll have this big one in the back. That sucks. Not gonna lie, I thought I emptied this before. All right, now, so for the next part, what you're gonna see is 10mm screw here, 10mm screw here, and then all the way in the back, there's another one. What I do is 10mm with an extension. This is a weird tool, but I use it all the time. Now what I usually do, I unplug the connections to the drain hose, or the drain pump. And they come out super easy, just like that. Now this pump is more of a circulation pump than anything, but you'll just disconnect it as well. All right, so there's 2 ways to do this. You can replace the entire housing, or you can just buy the drain pump off of Amazon, and I'll put a link below that you guys can use to get another drain pump. But basically what you want to do, you're going to take these screws off. See how it spins like this? There's no resistance. And this one, so you're just going to line up these holes. Kind of see the groove here, there's no spaces. Now you can hook your wires back. Hose 1, hose 2. It does not matter if you switch these up or not because they're basically doing the exact same thing. There. And you get the big hose in the back. Maybe easier to pinch this while it's outside of the washing machine. Feed the hose on. Let go of your pliers. Then you get the gray drain hose. Don't forget that one because that will make a friggin' mess. And don't forget to put the wires back on the second pump. Nice and tight. The only thing left to do is to put this thing together. It's just basically the reverse order. Put your big pan on. You're trying to get the lip of this seal over, and you just work that all the way around. Where the spring sits at the 5 or 7 o'clock position. But I use these little deals. They only work on LGs, but it's worth the $20 or whatever it costs to get it. All you do is squeeze them together, and then you can feed it right on through. And if you don't use these, then you will have bloody fingers. Boom. Painless. Put the face on. Something important to note while you are putting this thing back together is to make sure that this piece comes back where it was. All these holes should line up. The way to know if you did it right is to put it back. See if this slides in easy. Perfect. Get that goofy little corner screw. And that is how you fix the OE error code on a LG washing machine.